In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly customize your Gundam kit to make them look great. So the kit's been put together. As you can see, it's a little bit plain. So I'm going to use a few tools to get that looking great. Let's build! If you like this kind of content, do me a massive favor and subscribe and like. Back to the video. We've already built this kit in a previous episode. You can see the link for that in the top corner. All we're going to do now is skip to the back page because we want to know where the stickers are going to go. As you can see by looking at the back page, there is quite a lot of stickers to go onto this kit, but once it's all said and done, I promise you it will look amazing. What I'll be using is the stickers that come with the kit. I'll use some panel line ink to really bring out the detail, some cotton buds which I'll wipe down the excess ink with some white spirits. When disassembling a Gunpla kit, I think the key is patience. As you can see, I'm quite struggling with this shoulder. I do get it off in the end, but yeah, just have patience. You don't want to break it, trust me. The great thing about the panel line ink is as you apply, it just runs into all the cracks and just makes your job a lot easier filling it all out. Hence why you don't have to be very neat with this. You can be quite messy because you're going to clean it up later. If you like this kind of content, do me a massive favor and subscribe and like. Back to the video. Now we move on to using the white spirits with the earbuds. This is where we're going to clear off any excess panel line ink just to tidy it up, and you'll see the results. If you like this kind of content, do me a massive favor and subscribe and like. Back to the video. When you're putting on the stickers, it's good to have two small sharp objects, so you can really just put the sticker on with one and then hold it down with the next. Just makes it that much easier for places where your fingers just can't reach. And there you go. That's with the kit panel lined, stickers put on. Some kits you can get decals for, or you can add your own decals, but that's put on. And as you can see from the previous video, there's a lot more detail in this one and makes that kit even more popping. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.